Hello, in this video I want to show you how to download and install Google Classroom on your ZTE Axon 30. So to do this, first let's open up our Google Play Store. Right here we can find a Google Classroom app. Download it. Open it. Click on Get Started. Choose the account you want to use. Then click on this plus, join the class. Enter the class code which you should be provided with. And after doing so, click on the join. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.